this is Renee from Pizazz Moves, pizazzmoves.com, and this is Pizazz in 5. Come on, just breathe with me. All I'm doing is marching. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, okay? Way in deep, exhale through the mouth. 2 more times. Just want you to get it loose. We're gonna add a little pizzazz. Here we go. So we're just gonna step right to each side. Bring the arms out. Beautiful. Good. Now bring them down a little bit lower. We're just gonna get a little pizzazz today, or maybe a lot of pizzazz. Just pizzazz in 5. Bring it right across the chest. Yes. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Go ahead and bring your hands up over your head. Nice and easy. Even though you're reaching, you always want to reach with a good form. Always be aligned. Okay? Right there. Good. Beautiful. Now let's go back to the march. Right, left. I'm a mirror to you. Remember? We're just marching. 4, 3, 2. You're going to bring right arm up. Right arm up. Left arm up. Right arm up. Left arm. Pump 2 up to the air. Pump 2. 2 down. 2 up. You can bring your body up and down if you want. Up to you. Bom, bom. It's your pizzazz, baby. You get it. Boom. Getting some energy. Woo. Come on. Good. Now bring the heel to the front. Press it. Yes. Good. Make sure your hands are going nice and strong. Keep the body tall. Even though you're having fun, bada bing. Okay? Just have a blast. Now bring it out to the side. Whatever you're at, just go wherever length you can go. Good. You just do you, okay? Because you rock. 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to that march pump. 2 up. 2 up. 2 down. 2 up. 2 down. 2 up. 2 down. Good. Now give me a little hip right here. Woo. Okay? Moving it side to side. Here we go. Keep the elbows nice and tight. Oh yeah. Good. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Check it out. We're going to go a little bit slower. Boom. Boom. So you go bigger. Yeah. Bring those hips across. Yeah. Boom. Good. Now right here. 4, 3. Bring those hands back up. Nice and tight. 8. Always align your body. Always breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. A little bit quicker. Bring those hips back in. Come on, baby. We got it. I'll bring them in front of you. Woo! We got it. Now a little slower. You got it? Right there. Nice and strong. Bring it to your hip. Yeah. Come on. Give me a little this. Give me a little pizzazz. You got it. Now bring your body a little bit sideways. Yeah, you got it. Bring that shoulder in there. 8, 7. Turning the body. Remember, you do you. You do whatever you got. Okay, just tap that foot out. Bring it out the arm towards me. Yeah. 4, 3, 2. Let's get back to the march. Pump up, down, up and down. Come on. Beautiful. Now 1 pump up, 1 pump down. Whoop. And add a little squat in there if you want. Okay, just watch those knees. Make sure you're not going over the shoelace. Okay? Beautiful. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Remember, pizazzmoves.com. We're going to cool down now. 5 minutes, 5 minutes of pizzazz. Okay? So bring your arms right here. Nice and easy. Good. Just take a nice little step. Bringing the body down. Rolling the shoulders around. Okay, just nice little baby steps. Breathe way in through your nose. When you breathe in, guys, you should really have your belly come out because your oxygen is breathing in so much. Way in the belly, in through the nose, out through the mouth, okay? Hands up here, nice and tight. Wide reach. Good. Now bring it right behind you, right behind your hands. Press it away. Press it there behind you. Really good, guys. See, 5 minutes of pizzazz, that's all you need. Press your heel to the front. Right heel to the front. Sit back on the opposite side of your body, nice tall. Here's what it looks like from the side. Back. Okay, you don't want to be leaned. And be like this. Okay? And then we're just going to do the other side. Lean back. So you should feel that behind the leg that's stretched out, okay? All the weight is on the opposite side. Beautiful, guys. Good, put the feet together, hands on the thighs. I want you to roll right here. All you're going to do is roll up the lower back. See how I'm rolling that up? And then you're going to come back down and roll up. Whole ways up there. Pizazzmoves.com if you need some more information. Again, we're going to inhale through your nose. Thank you for joining me for Pizazz in 5. Make it a great day. Add some pizzazz.